the 12th sum is, a convex mirror used as a rear view mirror has a radius of curvature 3 meter. If a bus is located at a distance of 5 meter in front of the mirror, from this mirror, find the position of the image. So what is the nature of the image? So this is the convex mirror. So object, the bus, okay, bus is the object. So the object is in front of the mirror. Therefore, we will write the object distance u. U is equal to minus 5 meter. So this is a minus 5 meter. And the radius of curvature of this convex mirror is on the right side of the mirror, behind the mirror. Therefore, the radius of curvature must be positive. So this is equal to what? Plus 3 meter. So this is a plus 3 meter. So R is equal to twice the focal length. This is not R is equal to 2F. So 2F is equal to plus 3 meter. Therefore, this implies what? Therefore, what is the focal length? F is equal to plus 3 by 2 meter. Therefore, focal length F is equal to plus 1.5 meter. So this is the focal length. Now what is asked here is find the position of the image. Image distance we have to find out, students. So U is given, F is found, therefore V we have to find out from the mirror equation. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Therefore 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So that this is 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. F is 3 by 2, therefore 1 by F is 2 by 3. Okay, students, so this is a 2 by 3. I will write here as a 2 by 3 positive. Minus of 1 by U. So this is minus of 1 by minus 5. So this is a minus of minus 1 divided by 5. So that this is now equal to 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. Minus of minus will become plus divided by 1 by 5. So this is cross multiplication. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3, 13. 13 divided by 15. So this is equal to what? 13 divided by 15. Okay, students. Therefore, what is V equal to? Therefore, the image distance V is now equal to 15 divided by 13. 15 divided by 13 centimeter. Okay, students. If you want, you can use the calculator and you can find out 15 divided by 13. Okay. So this is the image distance. So I am going to find this ratio 15 by 13 using a calculator. So 15 divided by 13 is equal to plus 1.15. So the unit is a centimeter. So we get a positive value so that the image is formed on the other side, virtual and erect and diminished. Okay, students. So what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is what? The image is, first of all, virtual image. Okay, and it is erect and also it is diminished. This is how we have to do such problems. Have you understood, students? We will go to the next sum now. Problem number 13 is a different type of problem which is very interesting. In competitive exams and all, you can expect such questions. A diverging mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter forms an image which is half the height of the object. Understand, students? Half the height of the object. Size of the image is 1/2 the size of the object. Find the object and the image positions. So object distance U and image distance V we are supposed to find out. Okay, what are all the given quantities now? So it is a diverging mirror. So for a diverging mirror, what is given? Radius of curvature R is equal to plus 40 centimeter. Is it not? Plus 40 centimeter. So this implies the focal length is equal to R by 2. Is it not? The focal length is equal to what? R by 2. So this is equal to plus 20 centimeter. So focal length is plus 20 centimeter. Now what other informations are given? Image is half the height of the object. Now image height, always we are using the symbol what, h dash. So this is equal to h divided by 2. So what does this imply? Magnification is equal to h dash divided by h, that is equal to 1 by 2. So m is equal to 1 by 2. So these are all the given quantities, my dear students. F is equal to plus 20 centimeter, magnification is equal to 1 by 2. Now I told you magnification also is equal to f minus v divided by f. There is another shortcut formula I told you, is it not? This is particularly for time management, saving time in competitive exams. Directly you can use this equation. So this equation implies m into f. So m into f is equal to f minus v. I want to find out the image distance. So I will take this minus v to the left hand side. Therefore it will become plus v. So v is equal to f minus mf, or v is equal to f into 1 minus m. So this is the formula relating the image distance, focal length and the magnification. So we are given the focal length is plus 20. I am going to substitute here focal length, and m is equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay students? Therefore now you see here v is now equal to, in place of f I am going to substitute 20 into 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus half is half only. Therefore v is equal to 20 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, therefore v is now equal to plus 20 by 2 is 10 centimeter. So the image distance is what? 10 centimeter. It is positive, means where is the image formed? So what type of mirror? It is a diverging mirror, is it not? So if it is a diverging mirror, see here I will take, this is the diverging mirror like this. So this is the principal axis. So v, this is a pole, v is what? V is available on the other side. So v is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Okay students? Now object distance we have to find out. So focal length is plus 20 centimeter. So focal length is plus 20. So focal length is also on this side, v is also on the other side of the mirror. Now from the mirror equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Therefore we need 1 by u is equal to 1 by u is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So this is equal to 1 by f. F is how much? It is 20 centimeter. So this is 1 by f is 1 by 20 minus 1 by v. V is 10. So this is equal to minus 1 by 10. So LCM is 20. So 1 by u is now equal to 1 by 20 minus 2 by 20. So this is 2 by 20. This is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 20. Therefore u is now equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this is the object distance. So that object distance is what? Here is the object. So we are measuring the distance u. So this is equal to how much? Minus 20 centimeter. Okay students? So find the object and the image positions. Okay students? So that object is in front of the mirror and v is behind the mirror. V means what? It is positive, no? So that v is behind the mirror, and object is minus 20 means it is in front of the mirror. So in front of the mirror. So what type of mirror is given? It is a diverging mirror. Diverging mirror means it is a convex mirror. Have you understood students? Okay.